Sick. Thanks, FedEx. Oh. All right. These just showed up on my doorstep, literally. FedEx just dropped them off. They are the Milestar Patagonia MTs. These are a 33 by 12.5 with a 15-inch rim size. This is the first time I've ever put my hands on these personally, and just kind of wanted to show you guys what they look like. They will be going on my Jeep XJ. Yes, I have a Jeep. Most of what I own is Subarus, but I decided to add a 4x4 wheeler to the arsenal, so that's what I got. So let's take a look here. I really like the tread pattern. I think it looks cool. That doesn't mean really anything. This shoulder tread is pretty aggressive. That's, I mean, damn, yeah, that's pretty pretty thick right there. You know what I mean? Thick with 2 C's, maybe 3 C's. But these are kind of cool. They've got the black lettering option. If you flip them over and you want to be a little spicy, you can run the outlined white lettering if you prefer to show everybody what kind of tires you got. Let me just say right off the bat, looks like we got some stone ejectors here. These tread blocks are really big. I like this siping. And these voids are massive. These are huge. So that may treat you well in certain situations, but in other situations it may not be what you want. Right off the bat, let me just show you guys what I don't really like. I may down the road have to pay somebody to re-sipe these, because if you look closely, and maybe I'm missing something, but these sipes don't look like they go all the way down. I mean, obviously, you still want each tread block to be stable, but it looks like once the tire wears down to a certain point, it looks like these will disappear and I'll just be running flat tread blocks. So keep that in mind. That's just one thing that I'm noticing. Again, maybe I'm missing something. Maybe if I were to look down deeper into there, maybe the middle of it goes further down, but not entirely sure. Looking at the edge though, that's not what it appears like. Not sure if there's anything else to really show about the tire or its features. I think these are supposed to weigh like 64 pounds, maybe 62, I don't remember. But we're gonna take them in to the bathroom. I'm gonna show you guys how much they weigh. Don't mind my messy house, it is what it is. Me and my roommate suck at cleaning. We're some unmarried bachelors. You know how that goes. All right. Here's my scale. I'm hesitant to show you guys how much I weigh, but here it is. Oh, okay, with my shoes on, clothes on, I'm 206. Now let's see what happens if I pick up these tires. Let's see if that's even possible, if I can even do this. We ended up with 267.2, 206, and then with the tires came up with 267.2, so 61.2 pounds is what I got if I factor myself into it and do it that way. Let's see what happens if I just set the tire on it. Usually that's not the best way to get a weight, but this is a heavy enough object that we may actually be able to get a good reading. So let me see what we come up with. Okay, 61.8. So I think it's pretty fair to say we're right at around 62 pounds for these. Let me look up what they say on their website. Let's take a peek, folks. Tire rack, where you at? Where you at? Actually, you know what? I bought these from Discount Tire, actually, right here. This is where I got them. They got me the best deal on them and got really quick shipping. Usually I buy from Tire Rack, but Tire Rack didn't have them. So let's give this a shot and see what the weight is. Tire specs says the weight is 65 pounds. So they actually weighed out less than what the website said. So pretty impressed with that. I was a little curious as to why they were supposedly so gosh dang heavy compared to the BFG KM3s that I have on the car. But hey, what's up, kitty? But anywho, that's my first impression of the Patagonia MTs from Milestar at this point. I'm probably going to try to have them put on today or at some point before the weekend because we are going out on a wheeling trip. And I would like to have fresh tires in the rear because right now I got some clapped out junk that's dry rotted and I don't want that. So anywho, if you have any specific questions about how the tires look or some real particular questions, I'm not very educated about tires specifically like some people may be, but if there's anything you want to see up close, let me know. I'll get your info and shoot you a pic. But anyways, almost forgot, but I didn't forget all the way. Got me a tasty beverage. Actually, I have multiple tasty beverages today. They're in the other room. That's nice. Anyways, if you've run these, I want to hear your comments. Let me know what you think about those sipes and the tread blocks. Is there still a way for them to remain after you wear the tires down a little bit? That's something that I'm a little curious about. So let me know what you think. If you're running another mud terrain that you really like in comparison, let me know. But I'm excited to get these out on the trail this weekend in some snow and do some ripping. Have a good day.